Good day, subscribers and viewers. We got the next Clarks unboxing again, as I said. So we're gonna do unboxing, straight off the Clarks website, clarksusa.com. So we're gonna open it. As again, we're gonna do it freehand. Rip it here. I know you rip here. Something like here. That part. Get this part up. The next part. And then I'm gonna use the box cutter and see if we can get in there. If we can get it. So, sort of got it. Boom. Boom. Okay. Give me a second, I'm on the speed back. Alright, we're back again, so got it. Let's piece it out. I can feel the receipt, the bag, receipt. There you go. Put that to the side, spin it around. And they change the box, black box. I hope they don't mess my crepe again up, so we'll see. Because 2 times in a row, they messed my crepe so. And this is the Clarks Wallabee French Blues. So, boom. We'll take one out first. Okay, 2 of them are coming out. One. I know this video is kind of messy. Toss those on the ground. Alright, so these are the shoes. We got the Clarks French Blues. It's like more of a gray. And again, suede is, it's not as good as the last one, I'll say. The last one, though, Desert Trait Rustic Brown, is a little bit more better than this one. But yeah, these are the Clarks French Blues. Pretty okay color for the people who want to see the box. That's the box. The size. Clarks French Blues. Yeah, I probably won't do it on feet, but that's these Clarks French Blues, Wallabees. Those. Hope the lighting is good, but yeah, these are the shoes. Yeah, for everybody who want to see everything and compare if yours is real. Yeah, that's it, guys. Peace out.